buddy? You gonna go see bees? Huh? You gonna go see bees? Huh? You feel pretty cozy in here, don't ya? Can you lift your head up and look at your mommy? Can you lift your head up? Hi, buddy. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, Gizmo. Hi. Is you a sleepy boy? Are you a sleepy boy? Huh? What you looking for in there? What you looking for in there, buddy? Huh? Here, let's put you up on the duck here. Let's put you up on the duck. How about this? Let's put you this way on the duck. Then we can see your pretty little face. Yeah. No, you don't want to be up there, huh? Gizmo. Gizmo is not fond of looking at the camera, apparently. Okay, I'm running into something here. Okay, let's try this. Let's try put you on this wing over here. Oh, see, that's just as comfy as where you were. What do you think, buddy? Oh, yeah, that's nice, huh? Yeah. Okay, it worked for about 2 seconds. Somebody's camera shy. Somebody's camera shy. Him's trying to hide every way he can, huh? Are you camera shy, Gizmo? Is Gizmo camera shy, huh? He says, I like this blankie, though. Yeah, I like this blankie, this fuzzy blankie. But we want to see your face, buddy. We want to see your face, buddy. Where you going? Where you going? Did you come up to see Grandma? Huh? Come here, let's see your face. Hi, bud. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, sweet baby boy. Hi, sweet baby boy. Hi. Are you a sleepy boy, huh? Are you a sleepy boy? Yes. See, all I do is eat and sleep. That's all I do. Here. There, let's try there. I bet you'll be comfy right there. You like having Grandma's hand there? Okay, I'll leave my hand there if you want. Oh, that's comfy, huh? Yeah, there you go. There you go, Gizmo. Are you a little bit cold, buddy? Okay, we won't stay long.